Okay. Yeah, I thought it would be funny to record myself installing a wig. I've never done that ever in my life. But this is my little cap. I got my little cap on. $1.99. And but yeah, this is my first step. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done this before. I think I watched a few tutorials and yeah, we're gonna do this damn thing. So I'm gonna take YouTube. This and I guess put it right here, maybe. Yeah, okay. And then I gotta like cut the cap off, maybe. I have no idea if this is right. I'm just gonna do it because I've seen it done. It looks like I'm doing it right. If this comes out right, don't ever speak to me. This is so much fun. Like if I do this shit, like what? Hairstylist, that's me. Stop talking to me. What if this shit comes out bad? I'm like, I'm actually. Wow. Okay. That's. Ah. Okay, so here I decided to take it off because obviously it was horrible. Okay. So this time I made sure I got all over here and all over here because this shit gotta work this time because I only got 2 wig cap each. Okay, now I'm gonna blow dry it again. Let's see what happens. Here I'm putting foundation on top of the wig cap. It looks a mess, but I saw it done before and I'm using my alcohol to clean all the makeup and the excess glue off. So yeah, this is what I was doing. This is the wig that I have. It's a blonde wig. Don't ask me why I picked blonde instead of black. But that's what it looks like. Put it on. So I'm using more of my Got2b gel and I'm gonna put it on my hairline. Obviously y'all can see that I messed up and I cut off too much of the wig cap again. So just act like you see the wig cap all around where it's supposed to be. And I'm going to blow dry it again so it'll get tacky. And then I'm just going to lay my wig down where I feel like it was supposed to be. And I couldn't find my comb, so I just used the edge of the end of a makeup brush to kind of like push it in place. Then I blow dried it again so I make sure that it was set. Girl, I was struggling so bad. And here I am brushing it out. And I use my LA Girl concealer. I forgot what color it is, but I use that for my part. And then I got some of the edge of the hair and kind of cut some little baby hairs and did a little swoop to whoop whoop. And girl, I was doing it. Okay, here I am swooping, whooping, and almost giving up because it looked terrible right now. And you can obviously see my edges underneath because I cut too much of my wig cap off. But I'm just gonna wrap my hair with a scarf, and here I can show y'all the mousse that I use because I've seen that done before. Put on my little makeup or whatever, and it don't look half bad. It does not look half bad. I'm using my hot comb. I got it off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description to kind of smooth it out because I felt like it was very lumpy. So I used my hot comb to smooth out the parts where it was just a little too lumpy for me.